Okay, exporting credit cards. Jaden saw the new sound system that he wanted was on sale for $2,622.95, including taxes. He had to buy it on his credit and had two options. Use his new bank credit card, which has an interest rate of 14.5 compounded daily, or apply for the store credit card, which offers an immediate rebate of $100 on the price but has an interest rate of 19.3 compounded daily. As with most credit cards, Jaden would not pay any interest if he paid off the balance before the due date on his first statement. However, he can't afford to do this. So if you put something in your credit card and you just pay it off before your balance comes out for a statement, then you don't get penalized. But he can't do that, so then it will always carry over and charge him interest. So it says both cards require a minimum monthly payment of 2.1% on the outstanding balance, but he is confident that he can make regular payments of 110. So obviously 2.1%, so 263. So that would be like a minimum balance of $55, but he's obviously going to try to pay it off faster, so why not do more if you can do more? So which is the better option? So I'm going to show you this two ways. I'm going to show you on a spreadsheet and then on the calculator. So on the spreadsheet, you're going to do your starting out. So that's the starting out balance. And then we're going to be taking that times 1 plus the interest rate. So that's the annual interest rate, but don't forget, we're going to divide it by 360, right? We always take the interest divided by the time frame. And you're going to have to be charged that for 30 days. Okay? And whatever that amount is. And then you're going to be subtracting so you're going to subtract $110 and then the new number. And then you're just going to keep repeating. Okay? Okay, so let's put this on a spreadsheet. So I have it already done, but I will start from scratch. 2623.95. So now I'm going to go equals, click on the cell, times 1 plus 0.145 divided by 365 to the exponent 30. Okay, I'm just going to do 110 just to say we made a payment. So now I'm going to go equals this, subtract 110, enter. So this 110, I am going to just go down, 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 down. Don't know how long I'm going to be doing this for, but keep making payments of 110. So I'm going to go to this cell, I'm going to go equals the amount from the previous month. And then I'm just going to carry that formula down, and I'm going to be carrying that formula down. So you get charged interest, it goes up, but then you make your 110 and it goes down. Okay, so now it's just a matter about filling the cells down. Like I said, we don't know how far we're going to go, so we're just going to go, go, go until obviously we see negative numbers. Okay, so now you can see that it would be 28 full payments, and then you'll have to make a 29th partial payment. 28 full and then a 29 partial payment. Okay. So let's try this on our calculator. So we got N, I, PV, PMT, future value, payments per year, compounds per year, and then we'll be doing their payments at the end of the month. Okay, number is the thing I don't know. The interest rate is 14.5. The previous value is at 2,600. Our payments, we're going to go minus 110 every month. Future value, we want to get to 0. We're making 12 payments per year and 365 compounds per year. Okay, so apps, finance, there we go. So interest 14.5. It's all in there. So I'm going to go up to the number and I'm going to hit alpha solve 20. So like we said, 28 full and 1 partial. Okay, so I'm going to take the number of payments times 110, right? Because that's how many times I paid $110. So I'm going to go into apps, finance, and I'm going to hit number 5. So that's my number of payments times 110, and we know it's going to be a negative number because our payments were negative. Or, sorry, no, if I had payments. So, okay, so 3,117.53 is what all your payments add up to be. So how much interest, which is a better option? So you could do that. We could calculate the interest if you wanted to. So subtract the original amount. So let's see, we don't know that we're comparing, so we'll just do the total and the amount of interest just to figure out which one's better. Okay, the second store option. So I'm not going to show you this one on spreadsheet, but it's because it's just the exact same as the other one on the spreadsheet. You just have to do the different numbers. Apply for the store, which store credit card offers immediate rebate of $100. So my starting out, my starting out payment is $25.23 because I got $100 off. And I think we're still making $110 payments. Future value, we want to end up with nothing. 12 payments per year, so I think lots of this stuff is the same. Except for the interest now is 19.3. Okay, so this is lower, but our interest is higher. So let's figure out what happens. So finance, solver. So 19.3, that changes, and this changes. Everything else stays the same. So now our number is 28.92 payments. Okay, so we are kind of close, so let's see what happens. I'm going to go to my home screen. I'm going to go to the number of payments, so that's number 5 times $110. So this time I'm paying that much total, and if we subtract its original, we are going to pay $657. Okay, so which option would you go with? Looks like I would go with the first option. You're paying less total, less interest.